Add a text. Next add a solid layer. Next apply Saber effect. Core type to text layer. Text layer is Saber cylinder. Select fire preset. Decrease the glow properties as your desire. Composite settings, transparent. Alpha mode, enable masks. Invert the masks. Select both layers and pre-compose them. Next apply CC cylinder effect. Adjust the Y rotation. To hide the text transparent, go to the text holder. Text layer visible on. Next change the text color. Next main composition. Add keyframes to the Y rotation. Next add a texture. Apply curves. Next apply vignette effect.